Made possible by viewers who subscribe. We test, chart, and compare so your wallet wins. Hit subscribe to keep them coming.
So I'm looking at two Super-Automatic Espresso Machines, the Philips 3200 series and the De'Longhi Magnifica Evo. Both seem pretty capable.
Yeah, I've been checking them out too. The Philips, that's the EP 3241/74, right? It's a renewed model, which is interesting. The De'Longhi is brand new.
Right. The Philips is about $600, and the De'Longhi is around $550, so price-wise, they're pretty similar, with the De'Longhi being slightly cheaper brand new.
True, and the De'Longhi has a steeper discount from its original price. It boasts 7 one-touch recipes, including a dedicated iced coffee setting. Does the Philips do that?
It claims to make iced coffee, but I think it's more about how it brews the coffee rather than a specific program. The Philips offers 5 coffee types. It also has the LatteGo system for milk frothing.
The De'Longhi has the Latte Crema system, which they say textures both milk and milk alternatives really well. Plus, it's dishwasher safe, which is a huge win.
Good point. The Philips has a removable brew group for easy cleaning, and its ceramic grinders are supposed to last for 20,000 cups.
The De'Longhi has a conical burr grinder with 13 grind settings, which sounds pretty precise. It also lets you personalize and save your own recipes with the My Latte feature.
The Philips is a bit heavier at 21.6 pounds, compared to the De'Longhi's 21.2 pounds, but honestly, that's not a huge difference. The Philips is slightly larger overall.
Another thing, the De'Longhi has way more reviews. Almost 1,000. The Philips only has 20. The De'Longhi also has multiple videos showcasing it.
That's a good point about the reviews. It gives you a better sense of real-world performance. The Philips, being renewed, might have some variability in terms of condition.
Exactly. And the De'Longhi has more features, like the personalized recipes and a dedicated iced coffee function. It seems like you get more for your money, even if it's just a bit more.
Okay, I think I'm leaning towards the De'Longhi. More features, new condition, and lots of reviews. Sounds like a winner.
I agree. Plus, the Latte Crema system sounds amazing for milk-based drinks. Enjoy your new machine.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.